Your good postures and gestures help you to prosper. Yes, my dear friend. It depends upon how confident you are. Your posture will be according to that. And the reverse is also true. As per your postures, you can show the people how much confident you are in your real life. If you do not sit straight, if you do not walk straight, if you lean forward, people will automatically think that you do not have the proper confidence in dealing with the people. And your outcome will be based upon that. You will not be treated as the productive. Your command will not be that much effective if your postures is not favorable. So this is the importance of the postures. Your postures and gestures can improve your chances to prosper. Now the question is how to deal it, and what more importance of the posture is that. Let me answer the second questions. What more importance? The more importance, apart from the professional world of the postures, is that it will help you to keep it free and fit. Because if you sit straight during the study, your spine will always remain straight and you will be free. You will be not caught for the spondylitis. You will not suffer from the spondylitis. And there is some evidence that who has the practice of sitting in the lean conditions, they cannot remain erect after this certain age. And it looks very odd. Despite your high qualifications and the high ranking degrees, it doesn't matter. So if your postures is not that much favorable, your dealing will be poor. Your command will be poor. It will not be that much evident and that much vociferous, what I can tell. And also, your postures, if it is the heroic, panache, straight, erect, confident, it will help you lot of things. It will boost up from your subconscious level. There are lot of improvement in terms of your physical confidence, your digestive power, all these are interrelated. And if you think, and if you, in your real life, if you observe that you are getting the success one after another, you know, the success begets success. After one success, automatically another success will come without doing any effort. That means effortlessly you are achieving the success one after another. So this is the best importance of your postures. And along with the postures, you need to maintain your gestures also. These gestures involves your etiquette, your attitude, your non-verbal clue, your non-verbal facial actions, like that. That is also the part of the communications. So it represents your aura of the confidence. So gestures plus postures in a combined way create the great strength and the confidence in you. So take care of your postures, and knowingly, consciously, you need to practice for some days if you have the bad postures. I will give you the one idea how to give the right postures. You can go and support your wall in your back. Try to touch your calf muscle, your hip muscle, your thigh muscle, and also the upper back, erecting straight. After a few times erecting in the straight way, you just have a practice to walk the 15 to 20 minutes a day in the same postures walking. You will find that your walking gait will be changed in the confident you. If you can do, you will find yourself confident. Your postures will be automatically be corrected in a favorable positions. And try to walk always in the straight position, not leaning forward, not leaning backwards, not left and not right in the straight, because the straightness in the spine represents your confidence. So that's very essential in this cutthroat competition era. Be careful about your postures. So this is the importance of the postures. The first point is that from the professional point of view, it represents your confidence level, and the second point is that from the physical point of view, you can keep yourself more fit and the prolonged time of your life. So this is the importance of the right postures. That's all for the today's topic. Thank you.